Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and what's with practical in this tutorial lives. How do you check it out? Your iPhone is a blacklisted or in a lost mode, a stolen mode, or it's clean. How do you know iCloud activation lock status? This is very important. So when we the trying to proceed to unlock or wipe out the permanently iCloud activation lock links, at that time it's very important to know before proceeding that what's lock has been especially linked. Either it is a blacklisted, a stolen mode, lost mode, or normal. It has been stuck on the iCloud activation lock status. So for everything, just we will go for run as administrations Google Chromes. Here we will have to type iunlocker.chrome. So we will come on this website, and therefore of course here just we will scroll up, and here is a chance to just enter the serial number or IEMI number. So just we will paste IEMI number. How to find out IEMI number? Simply you can go for especially on a screen if it has been the especially locked to owners, and there is options. Click on I dot there. Serial key you can achieve. Just you will have to enter. Otherwise, just go for an administration through your tool. You will have to especially connect a data cable, and therefore of course here we can check it out. That is a IMEI number is here. Just we will click here once time, it will be copied. If you would like to go for check it out by a serial number, just we will copy it from here, and the upon of source we will paste there. So it has been the paste already. Just we will go for check it out. Let's see. So now it has started to check it out, and similar way you can go for check it out other device also. So now right now here as we see here phone X, MED, etc. This one's we as far we can check it out here, but we would like to go for iCloud status. So we will click here, and we will close this ad, and thereupon of course here once again we will paste this IEMI number. So it's a serial number. Just we will go for IEMI number. This will be much more efficient. Sometimes on the basis of serial number, of course it will give you server error. So just we will go for push this one, and thereupon of course here we can check it out once again. So now this link is for iCloud status, and find my phone has been on or not. Now see here iCloud lock is on right now, but iCloud status is a totally clean, guys. Clean means there is no any status that is linked to an Apple ID there, that is a blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. So it's a totally clean, it's totally functional right now, but iCloud lock is on. When it will be by honor switched on to the blacklisted, lost mode, or in any mode, that time it will be a totally change, and it may show you that it has been the blacklisted or in a stolen mode, lost mode. So how easy. Similarly, just you can go for check it out, check the carrier and the country especially. Country, it's a very easy to check it out, because as with the before the proceeding the manual method by the console clearing. If you would like to unlock the iCloud activation locks, then this carrier as well as the country, that is very important. So we can go for country. So see here sales model, etc., etc. We see that purchase date and sales region and HNA. So this is a code that tutorial I have already mentioned to you. According to the code you will have to find out. So HNA that reflects the India, of course. Now this sales region of this device is India. So how easily we can find out in this one also. So no need to go for there. If you would like to go for, then of course you can go for. To know more information about this tutorial, as well as any inquiry, any confusions, or anything more you would like to have the information from this channel, the blinded, you can especially raise the query below the comment box. The pleasure remains to the reply of the query. This is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.